Deepak, if we can do the group and then get Kavita on after.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Okay,
We can
let's do that. Let's do that.
So I'll, this also gives you the process. First I draw the symbols, which is the one is for physical. What I do is that I draw all the three symbols so that let the energy decide and let MEPA decide who is my channeling master. So I'm starting the healing.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. Just a few quick questions.
Sure.
What do all of us need to do? Is there anything we need
Okay.
to focus on? And because the pain thing has come up, do we also look at, is there any discomfort or pain that we have? Should we concentrate on that? Think about that? What exactly do we need to do?
Anything in life.
Okay.
Anything, any issue which is troubling you. Pain
All
can
right.
be one. Emotional
right.
issues can be one.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe money. I don't know. Anything. So it's something like whatever you think about. See, it's something I would just take you on maybe a slight different this thing.
Yes.
If you put your focus on something, you will get a solution for that faster. Then otherwise, if you don't put your focus on something, you will not get a solution, because it will be something like, you'll have 10 different things on your mind, but no solution for anything. So put your focus on one thing which you want to resolve. And at the end of the call, I'm 100% sure that everybody will get some answers for whatever they have thought about.
Fantastic.
That much I have faith in the divine, that divine will take care of that.
Nice. Very nice. Thank you. Let's do this.
Yeah. So thank you. I'm just creating sacred space, as is the my process in all the people whoever's home it is there. I'm creating sacred space in everybody's home, whoever is there on this call and even in the recordings. I manifest the 4 legions of light in the 4 corners of all the homes. I call upon Lord Melchizedek, Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, and Archangel Zadkiel to bring up the 4 legions of light. I call upon Mother Connie and Mother Mary, Goddesses, and Durga Maya to bring up the 4 legions of light and maintaining the yin and yang energies of all the homes. I call upon Ganpati Bappa to bring up the central legion of light. There is a canopy of white light over the sheet of white light below us. I call upon Saint Germain with his violet flame of transmutation. Each and every nook and corner, all living beings in that home are and will keep burning violet flame 50 meters all 6 sides till Sunday night. Any less than God energy inside the home or inside that individual will get transmutated into white light. Kali Mata, Bholenath, and Bajrang Bali are there for our protection. We are in the lap of Mahavatar Babaji. Swami Samarth is sending his healing, shielding to us, and the universe has us protected. Thank you. I'll just draw the symbol now. This is the physical symbol. Emotional symbol. And now the clearing symbol. I am now broadcasting it to everybody. Please give attention to the one issue which you need to resolve. It could be pain, it could be a situation, it could be money, whatever. Any one thing which you want to resolve. I'm sending energies. Energies are flowing now. So very nicely. It is. It's something like the ocean. The waves are coming and going at full force now as they reach the shore. Similarly, the waves from my hands are coming out and reaching all of you. My hand seems to be tight with energies which are being transmitted, which are all coming towards you. Just feel them. Just surrender yourself to this energy, and it will help you in achieving this thing, any one thing which you have put your focus on. Now the focus, as I mentioned, the name focus, the energies have really amplified to 10 times than what it was. Because focus is very important. I can feel a lot of people releasing, maybe from the head, Some people have the heart chakra is beating. I can even feel some people's solar plexus healing. As I'm not doing any single chakra, it is all going to the specific problem. So some people's solar plexus healing, some people's heart is reverberating, some people's root chakra. So all the 7 chakras, I'm getting some sign or the other. Some people's legs are feeling some releases. Particularly the right one, the giving side of the masculine side. So maybe a lot of rigidity going out. Things are now evening out, maybe settling down, plateauing, if I may use that word. A lot of heat coming out. Heat is predominantly a lot of anger. Suppressed anger. Now the energies are settling, becoming better. Just release, don't hold on, let go of anything which is, you may have some pain around anything, just take 3 deep breaths and release that pain. Maybe it is a sign of you're not letting go. I can feel it in some people. Breathe in and breathe out. Last time. And now settle.